of our final game. Once again, for our final game, Marquis versus Tres Marias.
Tatlo pa yun. Tatlo pa yun.
Both teams, before we start, earrings, any accessories, pakitanggal po, tapos proper tacking tayo para tuloy-tuloy lang ang laro. Let's go! Proper tacking, earrings, any accessories, pakitanggal. Thank you so much. Once again, both teams, players, proper tacking, any accessories, earrings, pakitanggal po. Thank you so much. Final game, Tres Marias versus Marquis. Let's go. Day 7 ng F1BL Papakas Division League Season 3. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Baliw kayo, baliw talaga. Babating ko kayo.
Marquis got that first ball possession. Walang to Ulanday. Ulanday to Lizardo. 14 seconds to shoot. Lizardo to Halili. Halili. No good. Ryan on the way to rebound. Pass to Kulpa. Kulpa bring down the ball. Kulpa to Gab Carlos. Gab Carlos face. Gab Carlos. Outer is good. Tres Marias got the first 2 points. Ulanday to Halili. Halili dribbling back to Ulanday. Ulanday to Castillo to Lizardo. Lizardo on the paint. Lizardo reverse play no good, but he got the rebound again. Halili to Ulanday to Kuista. Kuista fakes. Uy. Violation. Kuista Castillo. Kulpa to Arroyo, back to Kulpa. Kulpa, Jackson Madrid. Oh good. Holiday with the rebound. Holiday to Ulanday. Ulanday bringing down the ball. Ulanday dribbling. Ulanday jumper. It's good for Ulanday. 2 points. Carlos. Posterior to Carlos. Carlos to Kulpa. Kulpa to Arroyo. Arroyo to Halili. Ulanday. Pinipin may Kulpa. Ulanday to Halili. Halili, Jackson Madrid. Hawaii, no good. Lizardo is there for the rebound. Uy. Namin na bola. Ng paa. Same ball. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Lizardo to Ulanday. Ulanday fakes to Halili. Halili back to Ulanday. Ulanday wants that 3-pointer. Yes! 3 points for Ulanday. Kulpa to Gab Carlos. Back to Kulpa. Kulpa to Arroyo. Arroyo. Jackson Amino good. Hosteliero is there for the rebound. Hosteliero. 2 points. 1.8 for Marquis. Official score 5-4. Ulanday to Castillo. Castillo to Halili. Halili to Polenday. Polenday, no. But rebounded the ball again. Polenday again, no. Hosteliero got the ball. Hosteliero to Gab Carlos. Carlos back to Hosteliero to Carlos again. Carlos to Hosteliero again. Deep pass, Steve by Ulanday. Ulanday bringing down the ball. Ulanday, jumper, 3-pointer, bang! Carlos, jumper, answers back with a 2-pointer, Carlos. Ulanday, to Halili, Kawhi, looking for his teammate. to Polanday. Polanday jacks up, no good. Arroyo with the rebound. Arroyo to Cap Carlos. Cap Carlos, 3-pointer. No good. Lizardo get the ball. Lizardo dribbling. Steal by Gulba to Cap Carlos. 1v1. Carlos floater. No good. Lizardo is there for the rebound. Lizardo to Ulanday. Ulanday being double to pass to Polanday. Polanday to Lizardo. Lizardo to Halili. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday, long three. No good. Lizardo, great hustle. Arroyo got double team. Uy. Perez Marias ball. Culpa, dribbling. Culpa attacking. Culpa lays. Good 2 points. Ulandan to Halili. Halili wants that 2-pointer. Yes! 2 points for Halili. Cap Carlos to Jermaine Hosteliano. Hosteliano on the paint. Blocked by Polanday. Hosteliano again. Hosteliano. No good, but get fouled. Foul number 7. First personal foul. First team foul. Change 5. 2 shots for Jermaine Hosteliano. First free throw is good for Jermaine Hosteliano. Both free throws are good for Jermaine Hosteliano. Still a 1-point lead for Team Marquis. Ezekiel being defended by Raimundo. Huertas, pass on the no good. And Molly with a rebound. Molly team on leave. Hello! Umali dribbling. Umali with attack. Umali great D by Jetan. Saludos to Huertas. Huertas. 2 points. Huertas. 3-point lead for Team Marquis. Raimundo to Yuga. Yuga, the pass. Still behind Saludos. Foul number 5. First personal foul. Ezekiel to Huertas. Back to Ezekiel. Ezekiel wants that 3-pointer. No good. Lozendo got the ball. Lozendo to Raimundo. Raimundo with attack. Raimundo no good. Jetan with the rebound. To Angelo Saludes. Saludes bring the ball. Saludes with attack. Saludes. 2 points with a foul. Repus foul. Foul number 10. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw for Angelo Saludes. Bonus free throw is good for Saludes. Six-point lead for Marquis. Ermoli to Umali. Umali no good. Jetan got the ball. Pass to Saludes. Saludes to Ezekiel. Ezekiel to Huertas. 14 to shoot. Huertas wants that 3. No good. Lucendo got the ball. Lucendo dribbling to Yuga. Yuga. Oh no. Turn over. Marquis ball. Official score 15-9. Still in favor of Marquis. Remaining time 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Ezekiel being defended by Raimundo. Ezekiel to Huertas to Pauling Day. Pauling Day to Jetan Camper. Yes! 2 points for Jetan. Eight-point lead for Team Marquis. Raimundo to Lozendo. 14 seconds to shoot. Lozendo to Yuga. 10 seconds to shoot. Yuga to Umali. Umali to Ermoli. Ermoli from the heart. Yes! 2 points. Ermoli. Ezekiel to Huertas. Bago Ezekiel. 14 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel to Saludes. Saludes who wants a 3-pointer. Yes! Saludes. Good. Raimundo to Yuga. 14 seconds to shoot. Yuga to Lucendo. Lucendo just on the 3. No good. Ezekiel with the rebound. Ezekiel running. Ezekiel dribbling. Ezekiel to Huertas. Huertas. No good again. Umali with the rebound. Umali running. Umali attacks. Umali. Yes, 2 points. Umali. Huertas. To Jetan. Jetan to Huertas. To Angelo Saludes. Saludes space. Saludes. 3-pointer again. No good. Pauling Day is there for the rebound. Pauling Day. 2 points. Raimundo. Dribbling the ball. Raimundo to Yuga. To Umali. Umali. Just on the 3. No good. Saludes is there for the rebound. Ezekiel, dribbling down the ball. Ezekiel, louder. No good. Pauling Day is there again. Pauling Day again, 2 points. To shoot. Umali lays good, 2 points. Saludes. Foul number 4. First personal foul. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Saludes. Yes! 3 for Saludes. Great shooting from the outside. Foul number 30. First personal foul. Mali. Luzendo. Luzendo. No good. Yuga is there for the rebound. Yuga. Umali. On the paint. Umali no good. Saludos for 5 seconds. Huertas. End of the first quarter. Official score 27-15. Still in favor of Team Marquis. Start of the second quarter. Ulpa to Trixie. Trixie to Almazan. Almazan to Ulpa. To Gab Carlos. Gab Carlos. Hey, bang! Ulanday. Survey Lee. Ulanday to Halili. Halili to Jetan. to Lizardo. Lizardo on the paint. Yes, 2 points for Lizardo. Ulpa to Gab Carlos. Gab Carlos fakes. Back to Ulpa. Ulpa to Almazan. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Deep pass. Ulanday get the ball. Ulanday 1v1 situation. 2 points for Ulanday. Great steal for Ulanday. Almazan. Long 3-pointer. No good. Jetan with the rebound. Ulanday. Dribbling. Ulanday. Tuhalili. Back Ulanday. Ulanday. Nasa Mati. Yes! Ulanday. 3. Gab Carlos to Ulpa. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulpa back to Gab Carlos. 10 seconds to shoot. Carlos fakes to Tracy. Tracy, no good. Lizardo is there for the rebound. Ulanday, being defended by Kulpa. Ulanday to Halili. Halili to Chetan. Chetan jumper. OMG. Chetan, 2 points. Carlos. No good. Ulanday from downtown. Bang! Timeout. Tres Marias. 21-point lead for Team Marquis. Official score 39-18. Still in favor of Marquis. Time remains 7 minutes and 53 seconds. Back to the ball game. Kulpa, jumper, yes, for Kulpa, 2 points. Ulanday being defended by Kulpa. Kulpa surveying the lead. Ulanday to Halili. Halili to Ulanday, 10 seconds to shoot. Ulanday to Jetan, 5 seconds. Twist down Castillo, no good. Gab Carlos is there for the rebound. Gab Carlos running. Costeliero. Costeliero lays good 2 points. Tres Marias ball. Culpa. Surveying the D. To Tracy. To Costeliero. Costeliero to Gab Carlos. Gab Carlos face. Gab Carlos attacks. Face to Almazan. Corner. 3-pointer. Yes. For Almazan. Timeout. Team Marquis. Official score 39-25. Still in favor of Team Marquis. Back to the ball game. Isang to Halili. To Ulanday. Ulanday to Halili. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday stops to Kuistak. Kuistak, no, OMG. 2 points. Gab Carlos Kick out to Gulpa, Jackson Madrid, yes! Bang! Great for Gulpa. Ulanday, being defended by Gulpa. Ulanday, 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday, sidestep jumper. No good. Top Carlos, yeah, the rebound. Carlos, to Gulpa. 2 points for Gulpa. Halili back to Jetan. Jetan to Wisdak. Wisdak, big attack. Wisdak, no good. Carlos again for the rebound. Carlos running. Carlos behind the back. Carlos to Gulpa. Whoa! 1-2 punch. 2 points for Gulpa. Ulang tayo to Halili. Halili to Lizardo. Jetan ganun. 14 seconds to shoot. Uy. Foul number 7. First personal foul. Change 5. Nine-point lead for Marcus. And siya ito Saludes. Back sa Madrid. Yes! Saludes! Bang! Umali. 3-pointer. No good. Ezekiel. Being defended by Umali. To Saludes. To Polinday. Polinday, jumper, Polinday, yes! 2 points for Polinday. Yuga to Umali. Umali to Ermoli. Ermoli, one shot, 2-pointer, Ermoli, no good. Saludes is there for the rebound. Saludes to Ulanday. Ulanday playing down the ball, surveying the D. Ulanday running. Ulanday blocked by Ermoli. Grabe si Ermoli. Umali running. Umali. Bumps, Umali. Saludes for the rebound. Same ball. Ulanday to Polinday. Great pass. 2 points for Polinday. Raimundo to Ermoli. No good. Saludes for the rebound again. Ezekiel to Ulanday. Ulanday dribbling. Ulanday! 3-pointer again! Ulanday! Raimundo surveying the D. Raimundo to Almazan. To Yuga, back to Almazan. 10 seconds to shoot. To Umali. Umali. Dribbling. Umali. Jumper. No. Yuga is there. Second chance opportunity is good. 2 points. Ezekiel being defended by Umali. To Saludes. Jackson again. Saludes. No good. Ulanday is there for the rebound. Ulanday. To Ezekiel. Ezekiel fakes. Ezekiel. Deep pass. Ezekiel get the ball again. Ezekiel in the paint. Got fouled. Foul number 16. First personal foul. Second team foul. Timeout. Torres Marias. 2 shots for Ezekiel. First free throw, no good for Ezekiel. Second free throw, no good for Ezekiel. Ezekiel for the rebound again. Ezekiel, Saludes, 5 seconds to shoot. Ulanday fakes, Ulanday. No good. Pauline Day, great pass to Ezekiel. Ezekiel got blocked, Macretas got the ball to Ezekiel. Ezekiel fakes, Ezekiel got blocked again. Ermoli to Raimundo. Raimundo, no good. Yuga for the rebound. Number 16, offensive foul. Ulanday. Ulanday kay Ezekiel, 14 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel to Pauline Day. Pauline Day, no good. Almazan with the rebound. Almazan to Yuga. Yuga, spins. Yuga, jumper, no good. Ulanday got the ball. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes, no good. Yuga for the rebound. Yuga to Umali. Umali. Semengadi. Umali will attack. Umali, no good. Ulanday for the rebound. Ulanday. Foul number 16, third personal foul. Warning for penalty, Tres Marias. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Ulanday to Pauline Day. Pauline Day, 2 points. Yeah. Oh, good. That foul. Foul number 7. Second personal foul. 2 shots for Adam Molly. First free throw, no good for Adam Molly. Both free throws no good for Adam Molly. Ezekiel to Ulanday. Ulanday, stopping shot. Bang! Ulanday! 3-pointer. Great hands for Ulanday this night. Umali to Yuga. Yuga, jumper, no good. Yuga again. Almazan got the ball. Almazan to Raimundo. 10 seconds to shoot. Raimundo, no good. Margis goal. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Yes! Ulanday! With the buzzer! Christopher Ulanday. 7 out of 9 3-pointer in the first half. Hot hands for Ulanday. Official score 59-34. Still a big lead for Team Marvis. Before the second half starts, Apple Building would like to thank the following sponsors: Carlos PH, Marquis, Pratero, Zilda, Santis, Paradala, MP, para Ensign Manda Interaksilunan. Once again, thank you so much, sponsors.
Thank you.
As again, to Saludes, Saka Madrid. No good, Almazan is there for the rebound. Almazan to Culpa running. Culpa to Carlos. Yes.
Gikas manok.
Ezekiel to Landay. Being defended by Culpa, back to Ezekiel. Ezekiel to Saludes, bombs. To Polente. No good. Lizardo. Foul number 7. Second personal foul number 7. First team foul. 2 shots for Lizardo. First free throw, no good for Lizardo. Second free throw is good for Lizardo. Culpa being on the ball. Culpa. Foul number 30. Third personal foul. Culpa to Almazan. That's a Madrid. Bang! Almazan. 20-point lead for Marquis. Ezekiel. To Saludes. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Saludes no good. Hosteliano with the rebound. Hosteliano running. Hosteliano with attack. Hosteliano no good. Saludes with the rebound. Saludes to Lizardo. Lizardo running. Steal by Culpa to Gab Carlos. All alone. Bang! 2 points for Gab Carlos. Ulanday being defended by Culpa. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Steal by Culpa. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos, 3-pointer again. No good. Technical foul bench ng Tres Marias.
Pinawakan ng ulan tayo dito. Paano makakatakbo? Oo.
Technical free throw, Ulanday. Technical free throw, no good for Ulanday. Carlos to Almazan, Almazan face to Ostellero, to Almazan, no good, Lizardo with the rebound, Lizardo Triziel. Substitution, Halili in, Ezekiel out. From Carlos to Culpa, Culpa, Jack Sabating, no good, Paul and Day, got the ball. Paul and Day, the Marlies. To Ulanday, to Halili back to Ulanday. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday, jumper! No! Culpa got the ball to Carlos. Carlos dribbling. Carlos attacking. Carlos! 2 points with the foul! Foul number 6, first personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot for Carlos. Bonus free throw is good for Carlos. Halili to Saludes. Saludes to Ulanday. 14 seconds to shoot Ulanday. To Halili, back to Ulanday. Ulanday to Lizardo. Lizardo on the paint. Lizardo no good. Almazan with the rebound. To Ostellero. Ostellero running. Foul number 1, first personal foul. 13 foul. Culpa to Carlos. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Carlos no good. Saludes with the rebound. Saludes bringing on the ball to Lizardo. Lizardo to Halili. 14 seconds to shoot. Lizardo to Paul and Day. 2 points for Paul and Day. Stopping that route. 2 points. Culpa to Almazan. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Castellero. 2 points with a foul. Foul number 1, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus free throw for Jermaine Ostellero. Bonus free throw good for Jermaine Ostellero. Ostellero na double again. Ostellero kick out to Carlos. Carlos takes. Carlos attacks to Ostellero. Traveling violation. Tipped. Ostellero got the ball to Culpa to Ostellero again. Ostellero. Foul number 6, penalty po, penalty. Foul number 6, second personal foul, penalty. First free throw is good for Jermaine Astillero. Second free throw no good for Jermaine Astillero. Ulanday. Lourdes can't get the ball. Tres Marias ball. Time out, Team Marquez. Rep.
Umalis ko, may binili ako.
Back to the ball game. Carlos. Posteliero, Jack sa Madrid. Yes! Posteliero. 13-point lead for Marquez. Official score 64-51. 14 seconds to shoot. Saludes being double team to Polanday. Polanday jumper, no good. Ulanday got the ball. Ulanday, three-pointer. No good. Almazan with the rebound. Carlos being defended by Saludes. Carlos. Posteliero. Posteliero on the paint. Foul number 12. Penalty. First personal foul number 12. Penalty. 2 shots for Jermaine Astillero. First free throw no good for Jermaine Astillero. Second free throw is good for Jermaine Astillero. 12.8 for Marquez. Reserve of the bowling day. Steve Bedurpa to Carlos with wide open lane. 2 points for Carlos. Five seconds violation, substitution.
Alvin.
10-point lead for Marquez. Posteliero to Carlos. Carlos picks. Carlos! Oh, good. Carlos again got the ball. Almazan, three-pointer. No. Jetan with the rebound. Ezequiel de Rizardo. Polanday. 14 seconds to shoot. Good pass. Ezequiel get the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezequiel to Jetan. No good. Copa got the ball. Rizardo steal. Foul number 7. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 10 seconds to shoot. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes being double team. To Ezequiel. 5 seconds. Posteliero with the rebound. Posteliero to Carlos. Carlos stopping shot. No good. Posteliero with the rebound to Culpa. Culpa, 2 points, 8-point lead for Marquez. Saludes, good pass. Almazan got the ball to Carlos. Carlos attacking. Carlos lay is good. Saludes, deep. Posteliero got the ball. Castelliero. 2 points with a foul. Foul number 12. Second personal foul. Penalty. 4-point lead for Marquis. What a momentum for Tres Marias. Official score 64-60.
Banda ko 5 naman. Balik.
Bonus paper is good for Castelliero. Ezekiel doing double team. Ezekiel to Ulanday. Ulanday jumper. No good. Lizardo with the rebound. Lizardo on the paint. Lizardo 2 points. Culpa to Carlos. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal. Saludes dribbling, being defended by Culpa. Saludes looking for his teammate. To Ulanday. Ulanday attacks. Ulanday. Layup is good. 2 points. Culpa. Glass up a 3. No good. Ezekiel with the rebound. Foul number 7. Fourth personal foul number 7. Ulanday sa Saludes. Back to Ulanday. Ulanday running. Ulanday attacking. Ulanday no good. Castelliero with the rebound. Castelliero to Culpa. Culpa to Carlos. 3-pointer Carlos. No. Lizardo to Ezekiel. 14 to shoot. Jetan. Boarding no good. Same ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Seconds on the shot clock. Jetan. No good. Foul number 12, third personal foul, penalty. First free throw no good for Carlos. Second free throw is good for Carlos. Holiday. Steal. Carlos. Castelliero. Castelliero. Kick out to Carlos. Carlos. Jumper. Floater is good. 2 points. 4-point lead for Marquis. Holiday. Bring down the ball to Jetan. Jetan. 2 points. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Steal. End of the third quarter. 6-point lead for Marquis. Official score is 70-64.
Boy, hindi ka lang. Hindi ka lang. Hindi ka tubig.
Palit tayo kasi nung pinaway ko tubig.
Ako na, hindi mo.
Sumayad siya lang yun. Kami na naasal sa ganun tira, hindi ko yun.
Start of the final quarter.
Ano ba ano?
Ulpa. Surveying ready. To Carlos. To Hosteliero. Hosteliero to Carlos. 14 seconds to shoot. To Umali. To Ulpa. Ulpa. Jack on the three. Yes! 3-pointer for Ulpa. Ezekiel. To Halili. 14 seconds to shoot. Halili to Ezekiel. 10 seconds to shoot. Still. Keep pass. Carlos got the ball. Carlos. No good. Colin David, the rebound. Halili waiting for his teammates. To Ulanday. Ulanday. Jumper. Yes. Top of the key. 2-pointer. Boarding.
Na. Ang pagulo ko lang.
Good pa to Umali. Good pa again. No good. Carlos is there for the rebound. No good for Carlos. Jetan. Looking for his teammates. Ezekiel. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel. Stop and shot. No good. Hosteliero. Too much force on the pass. Substitution. Marquis. Ulanday, good morning, Back Ulanday. Ulanday, surveying the D. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Keep pass. Umali ka the ball to Carlos. To Kulpa. Kulpa, no good. Pauling Day with the rebound. Pauling Day to Ezekiel. Ezekiel. To Halili. Jack Sabatri. No good. Jetan is there for the rebound. Second chance opportunity is good for Jetan. Umali. No. Ezekiel with the rebound. Ezekiel to Ulanday. Ulanday bringing on the ball. Being defended by Kulpa. Ulanday. Stop. And shot. 2-pointer no good. Tres Marias, boy. Carlos. No good. Yuga for the rebound. Kulpa. No good. Yuga for the rebound again. Yuga wants that 2-pointer. No good. Carlos get the ball again. 10 seconds to shoot. Carlos to Yuga. Yuga to Umali. 5 seconds to shoot. Yuga to Carlos. Carlos no good. Umali. Falling there for the rebound. Ezekiel to Halili. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel to Jetan. Jetan jumper no good. Carlos bringing on the ball. Carlos. Foul number 15. First personal foul. Substitution. Ten seconds to shoot. Ermoli. No. Ezekiel with the rebound. Ezekiel, Ulanday. Ulanday. 10 seconds to shoot. Saludes. No good. Umali to Carlos. Carlos. Yes. Shooter's bounce. 4.8 for Marquis. Steal by Gulpa. Gulpa to Carlos. Carlos again. Yes. Timeout. Marquis. 1 point lead for Marquis. Obisha scores 74-73.
Hindi ka po
Marquis, isa lang po ang inyong timeout. Back to the ball game. Ezekiel, surveying the beat, being demanded by Carlos. Ezekiel to Lizardo. Lizardo, blocked by Yuga. Australia with the ball, pass to Umali. Umali, will attack. Umali. Offensive foul. Number 23, first personal foul. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 30, Sardea, fourth personal foul. Number 23, Tres Marias, second personal foul. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Five seconds to shoot. Ulanday. No good. Yuga got the ball. Number 30, graduate. Good pa to Carlos. Carlos got the day. Foul number 6. Third, personal foul. Warning for penalty. First free throw no good for Carlos. Second free throw is good for Carlos. Tie game. Third free throw is good for Carlos. Jetan. To Saludes. To Lizardo. To Ulanday. Ulanday to Jetan. Yes! 2 points for Jetan. Carlos, 14 seconds to shoot. To Umali. Umali, back sa three. No good. Jetan with the rebound. Saludes. Will attack. No good. Lisandro is there for the rebound. Foul number 23. Third personal foul. Bonus free throw for Lizardo. Sorry. Down lang. Sorry. Pasensya na. Tao lang. Seconds to shoot. Offensive foul, number 3. Full pa to Carlos. Marcus Boy. Kulpa got the ball to Umali. Traveling violation. Huertas doing double team. Huertas. Yuda to Carlos. Carlos 2 points. Easy 2 points for Carlos. Tres Marias got the lead. Culpa steal. Timeout, Marquez. Carlos to Umali. Umali. 2 points. Stop ball. Ulanday dribbling. 13 seconds to shoot. Ulanday. No good. Foul number 15, penalty. Second personal foul number 15. Penalty po.
Win.
First free throw is good for Jermaine Ostellero.
Okay, isa pang ganun.
Both free throws are good for Jermaine Ostellero. Ulanday, 1-2, lay is good for Ulanday. Bench po ng Tres Marias, upo po tayo. Upo po, bench ng Tres Marias. Coach lang po nakatayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Umali, 5 seconds to shoot. Umali, 2 points. Falling day to Lizardo. Lizardo no good. Jetan is there. For the 3 points. Jetan. 7-point lead for Tres Marias. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Oh no! Whoa!
Likod.
Saludes. To Palenday. Palenday. To Jetan. Jetan. Jumper. Bang. Carlos Lee on the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Umali to Ostellero. 10 seconds to shoot. Ostellero to Carlos. Carlos to Umali. 5 seconds to shoot. Umali. Just about 3. 2 for Umali. Ulanday to Lizardo. To Saludes. Saludes answers back. No good. Jetan is there for the rebound. Jetan to Ulanday. Ulanday, 3-pointer. Yes! Ulanday, 3.
Walo.
25 seconds. Penalty. Foul number 3, second personal foul.
Nakahiga na lang. Dang.
First free throw no good for Yuga. Second free throw is good for Yuga. 9-point lead. Three-pointer for Ulanday. 14.2 seconds remaining. End of our final game. Official score. Final score. 94-88. Big deficit by Marquis, but Tres Marias take the W.